Okay, boys and girls, so this is today's video summary. Today is Thursday, December 16th. We finished our word webs today. There were 5. So if you have not done them, please do them. It's descent, interment, desolate, diverted, and spectators. Okay. These will be on tomorrow's test, so make sure you have them down. Okay, and let's see here. In My View 4.1, we finished reading the story, the selection this week, so tomorrow we'll be ready to take the quiz. It was page 168 to 181. Okay, and so we learned that Zenny was able to make his baseball field and they were able to play. And so even though they were trapped in the internment camps, he still felt free because he was able to play his favorite sport there. And he was still able to enjoy it in that way. Okay, so we finished reading that. And of course, we'll take our test tomorrow. And then for math, and for spelling today, our homework will be doing these spelling words in rainbow words, so different colors, to make sure you do that. So after reading, we went over to doing math. Yesterday, I believe our homework was on page 87. So we went over that. That was our basic facts quiz. Now, 88 and 89 will be for homework tonight. And we did page 101. We finished that page up. Okay, so it's, again, just adding and subtracting decimals. Adding and subtracting decimals. Oops. Let me see if I can take this out. Okay, so you're basically just looking at the table, and making sure what it's asking you, okay? For example, in this one, how much more did it rain in May of 2015 than in May of 2014? You would look at May, then the 2 years, and subtract, okay? How much more? Ding, ding, ding. That's subtraction. Okay, and we got C for that one. For H and I, we covered those two. It's basically the same process, adding and subtracting the decimals. And we did page 105. 105. Okay, again, very, very simple. Adding and subtracting decimals. Okay. For social studies, we did take our quiz. So again, it was page 218 on My World to page 224. And then for science, we did our brain check. And I believe we also finished reading some about flowing down the slope, the watersheds, excuse me, on page 299, and then 300 and 301 on conservation. Okay. So make sure you do that if you haven't done that, and finish the brain check. The brain check is also found on the Google Classroom. And I believe that was pretty much it for today. So we took 3 quizzes. Oh, the basic facts, I forgot to mention that. Basic facts, the brain check, we did that on the Google form, and of course the quiz for social studies. So tomorrow we'll focus on reading, grammar, spelling. That will be for tomorrow, okay, boys and girls, and of course the other math test on the concept this week, which is subtracting and adding decimals. I will see you all tomorrow.